What's this video about? What's this video about? Is it about an AC? No. But you know what? I'm so excited. I got my window air conditioner put in today. That's right. But I recorded this clip that you're about to watch about 2.5 weeks ago on Mother's Day weekend about how am I going to get my lawnmower out of my garage to cut the grass. But ever since then, it's been wonderful. I've cut my grass 3 times. Let's let that video roll. Woo! And I even got my weed whacker out. So I was able to start trimming all my bushes. My bushes and my weeds. Woo! What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? Woo! It is Friday. It is Friday, May 8th. Mother's Day weekend. In Minnesota, it is Fishner opener weekend. And best of all, guess what I get to do today? I get to cut the grass. That's right, I get to cut the grass. So, screw this basement. Screw all this freaking work. I'm going to go outside and try to get into my garage and cut my grass. Why don't you come on with me and check this crap out? You think this is a mess? Woo, brothers and sisters, I got too many projects. Too many projects. Happy Friday, everybody. Woo! I'll tell you if I can ever get my grass cut. Probably not. I'm not going to make another video, so when I do get to my grass and do get it cut, maybe I'll cut it. Woo! Or I'll have you come over and cut my grass. How about that? How about that? Are you willing to take that bet? Can you cut my grass for me? Please cut my grass. Please cut my grass. Please cut my grass for me. Hey, can you get my lawnmower?
No.
Hey, can you get my lawnmower?
No.
Oh, brothers and sisters. Hey, can you get my lawnmower? Look at the beast projects in this garage.
No.
That's right. I got sheetrock. Behind the sheetrock, I have a bunch of OSB plywood and a bunch of material for the fence. And somewhere back in there is my lawnmower. My lawnmower. First time of the year. Oh, brothers and sisters. At least, can you even see it? The best weed whacker of them all. But my lawnmower, where is it? Where is my lawnmower? Oh, I can't wait till I can get to the lawnmower so I can cut the grass today. Anyhow, and shave. I'll talk to you guys soon. As soon as I can get this damn lawnmower out of this damn garage and cut the grass. I can't even get out the freaking garage door right now. Woo! It's going to be a fun day. Fun day. Look at all these projects. Look at all these projects you're about to start witnessing. We got doors. We got scaffolding. We got insulation. We got sheetrock. We got shingles. Hell, I got a wheelbarrow right here. Crazy. This is crazy. Is this the start of your spring when you try to get into your garage? Just asking. Let me know in the comments below if you can get to your lawnmower a lot easier than the beast right now. Because, brothers and sisters, I got too many projects going on. Too many projects going on. Too many projects. Too many projects. Look at all these rocks. Look at all that. Look at all that crap I gotta do. This isn't gonna be a fun day. This ain't gonna be a fun day. Until I can get that lawnmower out, it'll be a fun day. Woo!